Have you ever had a pizza that's better than anything you've ever tasted today? We're making an incredible homemade pizza with DIY sausage that's not only healthier but tastes way better than any fast food. Look how easy it is to make this pizza at home. Once you try this method, you'll never want takeout again. Oh no, I messed up. Make sure to do this in a bowl. Knead well. We let it rest for 1 hour until the dough double. I've uploaded a pickles tutorial for you, go check. Have you seen the homemade healthy, delicious, and diet-friendly sausage tutorial? If not, go watch it now and enjoy. If you try this pizza, let me know in the comments how it turned out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes.